Pillsbury pie crust, just like Mom used to make.
That is correct. So you use one head of garlic.
The whole thing?
The whole thing.
All right.
Because we're making a roasted garlic. And then, so you cut the top off just a little bit. 1/4 inch, not even, to expose this. That's your foil. Put that there. Put a little olive oil on it. I can be generous because I should have a couple drops of olive oil on the bulb. Salt, a dash of salt, and a dash of pepper. I suppose if you don't want any of that, you don't have to put that in. It gives it a little bit more flavor. And you just wrap it up.
Like a present.
Ta-da!
Ta-da, just what I've always wanted.
Happy
birthday.
Here is your bulb of garlic. And then you bake it at 400 degrees for 40 minutes. So we have a super big oven. Well, I only need one for the pizza.
Can you do it in a little toaster oven?
40 minutes? Does it do 40 minutes? We need it for our one recipe. So.
Yeah,
You can make more, obviously, not just
use it, and you can use it as a spread for things, or mix it in stuff, and
just making it fresh doesn't take very long. Oh, it doesn't.
40 minutes.
All right.
There you go, easy peasy.
So it's gonna.
You don't have to use the big oven for a tiny little clove of garlic.
I was worried about that.
Use our little toaster oven. Plus, it's electricity, which anyone who watches our videos knows. We have a solar house. It's free.
It's in there. Hold on, it's.
Aww, isn't that cute?
Ready?
400.
Oh, and then I click off.
Oh, because you already did the time.
Do you want to do it again?
No. There it goes. 40 minutes later, roasted garlic. What's this going on? Why are you making this?
This is part of the spinach ricotta pizza we're making.
Okay, all right.
And I just read that we need a roasted garlic, oven roasted garlic, so might as well make that ahead of time.
Good idea.
We need 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. We use Pecorino Romano. 1 cup of mozzarella cheese.
Shredded. The shreddy
Yes,
mozzarella.
shredded.
Pre-shred. Easy.
And 1 cup of ricotta.
Ricotta.
It's already it's spinach.
Very good.
That's it.
Delicious.
And the oven roasted garlic.
Makes the whole house smell like garlic. If you like garlic, roast your own in the oven. All right. So here's the ingredients, all broken down. What's that?
Ricotta.
How much?
1 cup of ricotta
1
cheese.
cup ricotta. Oh, you already said these, didn't you?
Yes.
Yeah.
1 cup
There's
of
our 1
mozzarella.
cup of mozzarella. There is our 1/2 cup with a little extra of the, not really Parmesan, it's the, say it?
Parmesan. Pecorano Romano.
Pico-
Just did it.
Good, try again. The what? What is it? Parmi.
It's
Pecorino.
pecorino.
Pecorino. Hey! I win.
Pecorino
All right, and there's our
romano.
roasted garlic. We're gonna use that whole thing. One whole garlic. There's the crust. There's the spinach. And next step is to what?
Preheat the oven to 450.
Oh, okay, let's do that.
Okay.
For those of you that don't know how to preheat an oven,
Ready?
here's your instructions.
Well,
400
this is how
450.
ours works.
And start.
And we start.
And we're gonna be using these little stoneware, as you call them. One round, one rectangle. We're gonna make a pepperoni pizza too while we're at it, but you don't need to see that because that's kind of way too easy. All right, next step will be assembly. I've never used a Pillsbury crust before for pizza.
I don't think I have
No.
either.
Oh, okay. Well, this is the first. So, is this gonna pop open and scare me? It's so scary. I don't like to eat it. All right. We need a spoon right there. Get ready. Oh, there it goes. Whew. And then, all right. So we open it. Ta-da. What do you do with this thing? Huh? What's the start? We'll go in here. Here we go. It's like the first square on the roll of toilet paper. You can't. How am I supposed to just kind of shape it? Well, that's pretty close.
Good. Can I?
Just that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Get in on this.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do with it. Oh, okay. Just shape it. Well, because some
Shape it
like this is so
to-
thick and this is so thin.
Right.
I
Yeah.
guess
Do
it
you
doesn't
want
matter.
a rolling pin? 'Cause,
Not really. I don't. I think that'll mess it up, don't you? But that looks good. I'd eat that.
Okay.
All right. What else? Okay.
Okay, let's look at this. What happened to it? Ta-da! There's the roasted garlic.
Alright.
And
It's very soft, right?
yes, you should just be able to squeeze it out. Let me peel this off. Actually, I can just peel it out. Ooh, that's a good color.
Oh, that's juicy. Yeah,
I'm just gonna peel it like
that's a good idea.
that's that.
Delicious roasted garlic.
Now it says to add the ricotta cheese.
All the ricotta.
And then
Is it half of that?
the whole.
Oh.
No, don't confuse me. And then half of the parmesan.
There you go. Yeah, don't confuse me. Oh, mess it up.
That's half,
touch.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we just combine it. Get it all blended.
You could just get a spoon and eat that right now.
Yes.
That would be fun.
I think that's mixed enough.
Put it on a cracker or something. Yeah. We'll go ahead and put it on the pizza. Yeah, I think that's good.
That's good. I think it's blended, combined.
And when-
Okay.
and when you spread, I think when you spread on the pizza, the garlic will break down a little bit more.
Ready?
And now, take our mixture.
Take your mixture. It's very thick. And try to spread it. That's a lot of Ooh, that's a lot of stuff. There. Okey-doke. So you have this spreader. So since we don't make any cakes. Alright. What do you guys think?
I think that's pretty good. Everybody like that? Are we all in
like a
agreement
cake.
there?
I don't
Can
know
we all
what's
concur
going on
that
there,
that is
but
adequate coverage? I believe that is
I believe so. I'd eat it.
good coverage.
Oh, spreaders,
So it's
pretty good.
probably gonna leak off the edge because we don't have that little, pizza crust lip going on. So it might actually
We'll see.
melt over the edge, but that's okay.
We have a self-cleaning oven. You can do it.
I personally like cheese all the way to the edge. I'm not a big
I think
person.
you don't like the. Oh, I like stuff.
I like cheese on the crust. Crust is okay. Well, it's just bread. So
It's even better than I thought it was going to be.
the spreading
All right.
turned out very nice. Where'd she go?
Spread the ricotta and then we'll do spinach.
Perfect.
Actually,
Will there be a link to this?
no.
No.
Remember I said earlier?
That's right. It's not
You
really.
confused me?
Yeah, I know. It's different.
Apparently, we were supposed to put the mozzarella cheese in with the ricotta and parmesan and garlic mixture. But it worked out because it was supposed to be ricotta,
Right. Yes.
the roasted garlic,
And half
And
the
then-
parmesan. That's it.
you spread that.
And then you put cheese on top like a
you
normal
put the
pizza.
mozzarella cheese on top.
Yes.
What is that?
Yeah. It'll be the same. It's just cheese.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then-
Mozzarella goes on top like a pizza.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Either way, it was going to go on top of that. No matter what.
All right. Well, that's true. On
And
top
yeah.
or mixed in, who cares?
It does. That's
Same.
what I
Yeah,
figured. I
same
just read that,
difference,
so it's okay.
Now it's, yeah.
Yeah. So now we have the spinach and the rest of the parmesan.
It's more of an appearance thing.
All
It's
right.
good. It's all cheesy.
So now we have.
All cheesy is good.
So we had a discussion. No, we did. And
After
now-
much deliberation.
Yes.
So we semi-finally chopped the spinach. Gotta cut it down so you can sort of sprinkle it around. We'll see. See how that goes.
Like that.
Yeah, just little pieces here and there. Yeah, right? Sure.
Yeah. I love spinach pizza.
You don't want a whole big clump of spinach all along, or a whole leaf of spinach. So it's just a little flavor enhancer in every bite.
The recipe actually called for 6 cups of spinach, which is a lot. This is just
Yeah.
what we had. We bought a bunch of spinach, the ones you get in a bundle. This is what
One
comes
much.
out.
This is what it cooks down
Yes.
or wilts down.
This is what it wilts down to.
That's what you have. So that's what you use. That's perfect. That is beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks good.
Very nice.
Or are you talking about me or the
Thank you.
pizza?
Hey.
Okay.
Delicious.
I'm gonna use my hands. Because it's just good.
What's cheese?
That's a lot of cheese.
What else are you gonna do with it? Yes, it's very cheesy. Not for the lactose intolerant. I suppose if you're a vegetarian, you could use your
What do you
vegan
use?
cheese. Yeah, vegan cheese.
They do?
Yeah. So this could be, a vegan kind of a thing. All right. And then how long does that go in the oven? So how long does this cook for? That's right.
12 to 15 minutes.
12 to 15 minutes. Sounds good. All right. In the oven it goes?
Yes.
Okay. You want me to put it in the oven?
Yes.
Sounds
Let's
scary.
see.
All right.
I'll be back.
I got this.
Wait, because I think oh, it's good, right?
It's a
Right there?
little
Should I-
first person action. Right in the middle.
Yeah.
Ta-da. There we go. Hey, that rack's hot. Okay. 12 to 15 minutes. See you soon, buddy. Timer? Timer. We'll go with 12 and check. We'll check it at 12. Ta-da. It's been about 14? About 15.
15
Yeah,
minutes.
we left it in there a little extra. So we're going in. Ta-da.
good.
All right.
Alright.
Delicious. Can't wait to eat that.
Looks good.
Oh, good. I think it turned out perfect.
Think so
It's got
too?
a nice little crust on the edge, golden brown. Perfect amount of spinach throughout. Puffed up a little bit, it'll settle. So that's gonna be delicious. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that. So good. Let's try it.
Give it a try. Not too hot. Just do it and give it
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good. Cheesy, little golden brown on top.
All right, here
All
we
right,
go.
well, look. That's
Very
good.
good. Mm-hmm.
All right. Can you taste the garlic?
Perfect. Oh yeah.
Yeah? Oh, yum.
Good.
How's the dough? It's Pillsbury. So
Yeah. It's
kind
like a
of-
Pillsbury
it's
dough.
It's like bread, kind of. Yeah, it's like a. It's not like a flat bread, is it? It's
Yeah.
not crunchy. It's like a bread. Yeah.
I guess if you wanted it crunchier, a bit
Oh.
longer, but then the top will get brown.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's good. Very
Very
good. It'll reheat well.
Neen seal of approval.
Uh-huh.
All right. Okay. That's
Right.
it. So that was it for the pizza video.
Oh yes. Like and subscribe.